Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode of 46 Garage, let's take a walk over to the tire machine. We're also going to talk about touchless tire changers today and why you need to have one of these if you are mounting wheels like this. So we've actually here. This is a Ranger RV1 touchless tire changer. This will basically do up to like a 30-inch wheel. As you can see, this is why they are called touchless machines. So a lot of you are familiar with rim clamp machines where the clamps actually come out and clamp on the wheel. These mount through a center pin, so there's a lot less contact. So if you take a look over here, that is a beautiful, wow, look at that. So this particular wheel is going on a Supra. We're going to put some valve stems in it. We're going to show you the tires. We're going to show you how we do this. If you guys aren't familiar, super popular in Supra community. A bunch of guys are on these wheels, very expensive. If you run big power, you want to run drag slicks. I mean, WELD is kind of a industry standard name. I did a set a couple weeks ago for a twin turbo Mustang. They were actually a beadlock set. I did film that. I wanted to post that video. I don't know, somehow the footage got deleted. I got to try out the new snap-on digital torque wrench on those beadlock wheels. That was pretty much the coolest part about it. Anyways, kind of excited this morning. I got some skateboards in the mail. I don't know if you guys used to skateboard. I'm trying to get some hookups boards. I ordered them online, finally came. Super happy. You mount them, you own them. Okay, these are the valve stems that they supply with these wheels. Pretty standard. Spin your cap off. This chrome shoulder here, you can take that guy off. Just like that. Pretty standard. Put your valve stem tool. This is the one that I like to use right here. And we're going to pull that valve stem through. So as you guys can see, the tool has a rubber backing here so that when you press down against the wheel and you actually leverage that stem. Oh, just don't drop the camera like I did. Okay. Boom. Nice and easy. Make sure it's seated. Nice Mickey Thompsons. Should help that Supra hook up. 275 60 R15s. Make sure the rotations are opposite. Obviously these are rears. Make sure you lube these tires. This is what I like to use. Little concoction here. Some guys like to use the paste. I mean, whatever you prefer, whatever works for you. You don't have to be shy. Easy peasy. Get our assist arm down there, nice and close to the wheel, just like that. Now we're going to adjust our distance on our wheel arm. Get a little closer, right about there. We're going to flip our disc. Pull our assist arm out of there. Nothing to it. So we're gonna fill up the bazooka blaster. We're gonna get this bead seated, fill it up, and we're gonna throw it on the balancer and balance this puppy out. Okay guys, so we've got the Mac tools. I like this digital inflator. I use it all the time. That is the bazooka blaster. Try and see without the blaster. Seems like our bottom bead is seated nicely, so we're gonna try. These tires are pretty soft. No. Okay, back to plan A. Sometimes you need to get a second person. Okay, I just need you to go like this, pretty much. But from where you are, like this, because I'm gonna jam this blaster in right here.
Don't fuck up my ears or
no? Okay. Oh. And I'm gonna pull the trigger on that at the same time.
It's gonna shoot air, right?
Yeah, yeah, oh yeah. And it's gonna go in here. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Sweet. That was a connection made. Beautiful. Thank you, sir. I'm going to need your help on the other one, but I'll call you when you're ready. I'm ready. These are for Travis, the 2JZ Master. You know it's summertime when you start mounting the fucking welds. Wow, that was a real small fucking pop. Just like that, kids. Fill it up. We're gonna fill this thing up to 30 pounds. Don't know, you know, these tires really range in application on what guys run for pressure, depending on what they're doing, where they're racing the track. A lot of fucking different variables. Looks sick. Let's get it mounted up in the balancer.
I totally have a goal now. Starting that car up yesterday brought so much fucking joy back to my life. Just hearing it start made me want to drive it so bad. And I want to focus on getting it on the road and just taking care of everything. I fucking love that feeling again.
Sometimes it's all it takes. Sometimes it's all it takes.
Good, man.
Okay. Once again, make sure you guys got your assist arm in there. Maybe a 1/4 inch from the wheel's good. These are pretty soft, these tires. And our wheel down. Hopefully our camera's aimed good. Yep. Now if you watch that assist arm, you'll see it maintains that same 1/8 inch gap that we put it on with. Flip our disc off, arm up, take our assist arm out of there, back it up to the home position. Good. Wow. What a beautiful piece. What a beautiful piece. Okay, so we got our front one mounted up on the machine. Slightly different looking. Can't get over how nice these wheels are. So we're gonna run some Continental Extreme contacts on the front, unwrap these ones, lube them up, get these ones on, and this guy's gonna be ready to put some tires on a Supra. Oh, fuck. Remember, people, different wheel, so we're going to set our depth differently for our wheel arm. Right about there. Camera flying off of the machine. Anyways, good thing it's a GoPro. Built for that. Swing that puppy out of the way. The adjuster arm out. These are going to be a lot easier to seat than those rear ones, obviously. Don't have so much flex. Probably won't need the blaster for these ones. So let's get these ones seated and we will balance them. Okay, so she's mounted. We're just gonna measure our depth here. Switch this to that. Boom. So as you can see, there's a laser dot for our inside weight. When you're mounting weights on wheels like this, you got to make sure the surface is nice and clean. I like to use a little bit of brake clean, and then actually I'll use a little bit of adhesion promoter. What I use is this guy. I just mist it on there, give it a second to dry, and then we'll be able to apply our weights there.